Hello everyone. Here is another great recipe for your holiday dinner parties. It's called beef stroganoff. Fiza, please show us how you made it.
We need onions, mushrooms thinly sliced, black pepper, paprika, salt, garlic powder, basil, parsley, oil for cooking, sour cream, beef stock, beef, soy sauce and vinegar. We need a baking pan, cupcake baking pan, filler sheets and oil to spray. First of all, we will spray the oil in the cups. Now I will put the sheets into the cups like this and spray the oil on the top. To make the good shape of the cups, I left the spaces in between. After that, I will spray the oil on the top and put it in the preheated oven. Put this filler sheets cup in the oven. Temperature is 300 degree, and for a couple of minutes, after 2 or 3 minutes, check it. When you see the cups are ready, take it out. Take out the filler sheets, the filler cups. Beef using the instant pot. I will start the saute mode on high heat. Then I will add the cooking oil. It's almost 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I will add my beef. Now cook it like this. Now I will add a half teaspoon of black pepper and a half teaspoon of paprika. And a tablespoon of vinegar, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Now take out the beef.
So we have to wait until it's dried out, right?
Yes. Now add a tablespoon of oil and add the onions. Saute the onion. Now add mushrooms. Add the spices. A 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of parsley, half teaspoon of basil leaf, salt to taste, and half teaspoon of black pepper. Now cook it for a couple of minutes, and then we will add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Now add beef broth. And it's 1 cup of beef broth. It's boiling. Add the beef. Now add 4 ounces of sour cream. Now I will cover the lid set it to the pressure mode for 3 minutes, high pressure, and set the steam release handle to sealing mode. These are done. I will set it to quick release. Released. You have to open the lid and take out the beef. This is how you will serve it. Add pasta. And add the beef at the top. So the beef stroganoff cups are ready.
Thank you, Fiza. These look really nice.